How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. Today we're going to open my robot cube. Open my robot cube. And when you get it out, then you take it out. It's pretty hard at first. Now I'll tell you the parts of my cube. Over here are the front sensors. This part is the front sensor, right sensor, and then left sensor. And these are the back sensor. And over here is where the light. Over here is where you can change the lights. And same thing over here and here. And over here are some buttons that I'll teach you that on the next episode. When I tell you how to program this one and tell you what it can do and what it can do and other stuff. And over here is where the sound comes from. And now first when you get it, remember to charge it. It's off. You need to charge it with this charger. So get it and start charging. If you just got it and you just took it out, charge it and pause it and then just wait until it's fully charged. Okay? Now the app. Download the Q app in the App Store. This is the Q app. Download it on the App Store and then get it. And then go inside. Just wait. First, turn it on. Turn it on. And this is the app. This is the main lobby. And also, you need to connect it right here. With the Bluetooth, you connect it. Let's say you're here. Let's say you're in Wonder. And then you haven't, let's say you're just doing in a Wonder example. I'll tell you what these are in the next episode. You go, there will be something there, and it would say, please connect to your robot, and then press there, and then you can choose your robot and other stuff. And then your avatar face will be there. And then press it, and then wait, and then when there's a check mark within a circle, then you can use it. Then it will work. That's when it works. Then you can work it out and stuff. And connect it with Bluetooth. And there are 4 options in Q. In Wonder, you can change the color, you can make it like go, and you can change the speed, how it goes and how far it goes, and you can tilt the head. You can tilt the head and control the head pan, and you can do lots of stuff in Wonder. And then in Code, it's kind of like Wonder, except you control it with numbers and other things. But with the face lights, it's like Wonder. And in Control, you just control it. There's like a dot in the middle, and then you move it around. And it also has front sensors, and on that it tells, there'll be a lightning, and then there will be it comes close to you when there's something in front of it. That's how Control works. And in Chat, you just chat with him. You can know his personalities and feelings and other stuff about you can know stuff about your avatar. Thanks for watching. I'll tell you about him in the next episodes. Bye.